Okay, so let's set up Claude Code for Mac. This is going to be way easier than doing it on Windows because Mac already comes with Python and Git pre-installed. So the only thing that you need to additionally download and install is Node.js and then Claude Code. So you can download Node.js from the following link, and you can click on macOS installer. You can download it, and then you can open it. In my case, I already have it installed, so I don't need to continue. And then we need to open the terminal, and we need to type the following command. Just give me a second because I'm failing to copy it. Okay, now we're installing it. Done. And now, depending on whether you have a Claude subscription already bought, or maybe you won the giveaway and you have an API key, the flow is going to be a little bit different. So let's assume you want the API key. In that case, you do not have to go to the Claude website and to buy a subscription and then log in through here. The only thing you need to do is simply run the following command. This is the command that you need to run, and it says export Anthropic API key, and then in quotes you need to write the API key that you have won. Now it's going to be a little bit different than this one. This one is not going to be valid after I post the video, so no need to try using it. Note that every time you open Claude, you would have to write this this command every time you restart the terminal, and it's going to have a predetermined amount of credits. After you run out of them, you would have to go to the Claude website, buy a subscription, and I'm going to show you what to do afterwards. But let's first fire up Claude. You do this by simply writing Claude. Now you need to say that you trust the folder, and done. Okay, we need to allow terminal app to access files in documents folder. We need to allow terminal app to do this and this. Okay, so how are you? I'm doing well. Perfect. Okay, so apparently it works. So now let's see how to use Claude with your own subscription instead of API key. To achieve that, what you would do is simply do login, and this is going to open the browser. But usually when you open Claude, you're going to be prompted directly with this. Now, because we first set API key and now we want to log in, we had to manually invoke this screen with the command login. But otherwise, when you run fresh Claude, you would be directly prompted with this. And I'm going to say okay. And now I would have to authorize Claude Code, and we are done. Now we need to press enter. Okay, allow. How are you? Okay, it works. And that was the tutorial on setting up Claude Code on Mac.